to human.
Welcome back to DAX for Humans. My name is Greg Deckler, and today we're going to be starting a 4-part series on thinking in DAX. Now, what do I mean by thinking in DAX? Well, let's use Excel as an example. So if I bring up Excel and I have the same exact table that I have created in Power BI, right? If I was to create the total cost column, right, we use what we call cell references. So I say it's equals B2 times C2, and that gives me the answer 798. And then I can drag that, well, if I can drag that down, and that copies that formula. So now this one references B3 and C3, B4 and C4, B5, C5, etc. And then we also have what are called cell ranges. So if I do a sum here, so I'm doing a sum of B2 colon to B6, hit enter there, and now that's the sum of all of these. And again, I can also drag this over here and even copy this over here and get similar answers to what we were getting in Power BI. The whole purpose of this, in terms of it, when you're using Excel, you're thinking in terms of cells and cell references and cell ranges. Those are basically the smallest units with which you can work with within Excel. Well, in Power BI, to think in Power BI, the smallest unit that you're really dealing with on a day-to-day basis is a table. Right? You cannot do cell references like you can in Excel or cell ranges. Now there's ways to get similar results, but you have to think in terms of tables and then filtering those tables and doing things with those tables. That is the essence of DAX. DAX is all about tables. So just like in Excel, it's all about cells. In Power BI, it's all about tables. So that's step 1 in how to think in DAX. Think tables. Next time, we'll get into filtering tables, which is the second step in thinking in DAX. That's all for now. See you next time.